Go back to my channel, and I got an official person here. She's my sister, and I think she's only been in my videos 2 times. And yeah, our birds got more used to us. Come on, come on.
She's a little killer sometimes.
Oh, we also got the name for them. Honey and Hawk. Mine's Hawk, so he's a boy. He's like a little hawk. And hers is Honey.
Because she's a little honey pie.
Honey, honey, honey pie. Ow!
She's a little killer.
I'm bleeding. Yo, I'm freaking bleeding.
Dude, she's a freaking killer.
That freaking
I have
hurt.
to put her on under.
That hurt. I am not going to redo this. I'm freaking bleeding. I need a Band-Aid.
So my sister's bleeding. I'm right here stuck with the birds. So yeah. Alright. I'm gonna try to get the birds. I already got one.
Don't have any Band-Aids. Don't have any Band-Aids.
Oh
Gonna
shoot.
be bleeding.
Son of biscuits. It's bleeding. Oh, she bites her nails so much it goes so short, so don't mind her nails. Alright. Alright, get your bird. Get your bird. Oh, also, her shirt glows in the dark.
Look, he's on the bed.
Oh my
He's
god.
on the bed.
Oh my god.
He's on the bed. And one's gonna go there too. Aww. No, he's not. No, she's not. Come on, come on. Oh my god, I almost fell. Come on. She's gonna fly. Oh. Okay, that's all for today, and bye-bye.